So now we've got our seasoned steak and we're ready to add our mixture. And one of the things about a roulade is I know people are really intimidated, but they're really intimidated more by the name because it's really easy to do. And you can do this with flank steak, with tenderloin, you can do this with chicken. There's so many different things you can do with this. So what I'm going to do is I've got a relatively thin layer of stuffing and I'm going to basically just press it into the beef. And some's going to come out. That's not a big deal. Just press it on in there, and I see places where I can get a little bit more in there. Press it on in. Okay, and now it's time to roll the steak. And there's two ways that you can do it. I'll show you the first way. The first way is to roll it in this way. And whenever you roll, see how the filling's kind of moving around? I like to keep my fingers on there and press it as I roll. But for this particular piece of meat, I'm going to roll it the other way. And it's going to be a big fat roulade. All right, so like I said, whenever I'm rolling, I'm going to be pressing into the meat so that the filling, as much of the filling stays in as possible. And like I said, some's going to come out. It's not that big of a deal. Just let it fall on out. We can gather it, and if you're going to do another roulade, save it for that one. All right, and just be a little firm with it. Make sure that you hold it all together. Perfect. All right, this is what our roulade is going to look like, and here's